In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign a form in Adobe Sign. If you've been sent a document to complete, don't worry. This process is quick, secure, and works right in your web browser. We'll move from opening the request to adding your signature, to wrapping everything up so the finalized copy is sent automatically. Start by opening the signing request that arrived in your email inbox. Look for the message inviting you to sign a document and, when you're ready, click Review and Sign. This link opens the document directly in Adobe Acrobat Sign in your browser, so there's nothing to install. If you don't see the email right away, check your spam or junk folder, and make sure you're connected to the internet before continuing. Once the document loads, begin the signing process by clicking Start or click here to sign. Adobe Sign will guide you through every required field so you don't miss anything. You'll typically see highlighted areas that show where your attention is needed. Follow the on-screen prompts until you reach the signature field. If any information is required, Adobe Sign will flag it and won't let you complete the process until it's filled in. When it's time to add your signature, click the signature field and a window will appear with several options. You can type your name and choose a style, draw your signature with a mouse, trackpad, or your finger on a touchscreen. Upload a clear image of your handwritten signature, or choose to sign on your mobile device. Pick the method that feels most natural to you. If you're not satisfied with how it looks, you can try again before you confirm. When you're happy, click Apply to place your approved signature. Next, place the signature where it belongs in the document. Click in the designated area to drop it in. If it isn't perfectly aligned, drag to move it, and use the corner handles to resize so it fits neatly within any boxes or lines. Take a quick moment to review that everything looks correct. To finish, click Click to Sign or Done. Adobe Sign will finalize the document and securely route a copy to everyone involved, including you. You should also receive a confirmation email with access to the signed file. If you want a local copy for your records, use the download option on the confirmation screen. When you're finished, you can close the browser tab and keep the confirmation email as proof of signing. That's it. You've signed the form without printing, scanning, or juggling attachments.